Alright, good morning, you guys. So I'm about to head out to one of the ponds and give the kayak a second maiden voyage. The first one I recorded, and honestly, I didn't catch anything, so I didn't think it was worth a shot. So heading out today here in Katy, trying to hit up one of these spots that I've been bank fishing at, and I had some luck, so I am gonna give it a try with the kayak. And the water is super clean. You guys will see when we get there. All right, catch y'all in the water. All right, so we made it. This is what we're working with. I'm telling you, the water looks super clean, I don't know, man, like a seafoam green. But like I said, I've bank fished here. I've had some luck, so I'm gonna try it out, see what else is out here. I'm sure there's some big ones in here, so we're gonna find out. All right, man, so I'm trying to finish setting up my kayak, and man, you got to invest in one of these dry packs. Like I said, I got my wallet and my keys in here. You never know, if you tip over, this could save your items from being ruined. So I have mine tied up to my seat, so hopefully, if in case, God forbid, this thing tips over, as long as my seat's floatable and it doesn't sink under, I should be able to rescue these. So like I said, it's one of those things you just gotta plan ahead. So I'm pretty much set up. There she is, all finished and ready to be launched. Like I said, this will be my second quote-unquote maiden voyage. First one didn't pan out really good, didn't catch anything, so let's see what we can make happen today. Got one. Whew. Didn't know if I was hooked or not, but look, check it out. My first one of the day. All right, hold on, buddy. Hold on, chill. All right, guy. Got him hooked up with the Biospawn XO ribbon, 7-inch. All right, guy, don't hook me. All right, let's get you unhooked, buddy. And I'm using a worm hook. It's the hammer hook by Guggen Squad, and it's a 3/0 if I'm not mistaken. Check it out. First one of the day. All right. This is my first fish on my kayak. I can't complain. Not the biggest boy, but it'll do. Healthy little chunk. Still needs some growing. Get some pictures of this guy. Like I said, I didn't know if I was hooked or not, but apparently there she goes. All right, buddy. So I'm putting another one on. Excuse me. Putting another one on. The other one was destroyed. Put a fresh one on here. Right. Give this a try again. So I literally wasn't recording like a rookie when I caught this other little thing. I literally just tossed it, trying to get it where that tree's at. I tossed it in there and it didn't even hit the floor, and he just smacked it. And not the best hook set. And hopefully this guy doesn't hook the crap out of me, because he looks like he's trying to. All right, come on, guy. Come on, guy. I'm trying to help you out. Don't hook me. Don't hook me. All right, got the hook out. And again, got him on that Biospon Exo ribbon. Got a guy. They're healthy in here. They're just small. I just keep getting the small ones. Don't know what's up with that, but let's see. I'm gonna keep trying. I get in the flow that this is what they want today. They're chasing that ribbon, and let's see. Hopefully we could get some more. Like I said, not the biggest fella, but in weeks that I've been skunked, this beats that. So get a picture with this guy, and then we'll set him on his way. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. All right, guy, thank you. Alright, you guys, well, that'll do it for today. I was able to hook onto 2 dinks. Not any monsters out here, well, today at least, but I have a good feeling that they're in the center, they're in deep. There's a bunch of cover in the center of it too, so I think I just need to bring out some deep diving cranks and try to pull out the beast with that, but you know, it is what it is. I didn't go home skunk today, so can't ask for much more, but well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will be providing some more content as soon as I'm able to get out into deeper water. Looking to go out to an actual lake and see what this kayak can do. And I'm gonna do a separate video about the kayak that I got, just kind of a little brief rundown of what it is, the specs and all that. So stay posted for that. Well, that'll do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then I'll catch y'all later.